Are you one kind of person who constantly feels tired always, or just after waking up you feel exhausted and weak? In today's video, I would want us to look at some of the possible causes of what you might be experiencing. If you are new to this channel, my name is Emmanuel, a licensed physician assistant by profession. Some of the possible causes are lifestyle. There are also others that are medical conditions, so I'll blend them together. The first thing is poor sleep quality. It's not about the amount of hours you sleep, but it's about the quality of your sleep. By having a deep, uninterrupted sleep, you see, it is during sleep that your brain is able to remove toxic substance and prepare you for the next day so that you feel refreshed and active the next day. But if you are unable to have a very good quality of sleep, your brain is unable to remove those toxic substance, so you will wake up feeling tired and exhausted. The second thing is chronic stress. If you're one kind of person that you are always stressed out, it makes you mentally unstable, and that one can also makes you feel tired and exhausted. The next thing is anemia. Now, anemia basically means low blood level. If your blood volume or level is low, it always makes you feel tired, dizzy, and even weak. The next one is some thyroid issues. You see, it's the major function of the thyroid hormone to maintain metabolism of your body. It is through metabolism that you get energy. But sometimes, if your thyroid gland is not performing properly, there is something we call hypothyroidism, and that reduces your metabolism in the body, and it can make you feel tired and exhausted. The next thing to look at is diabetes. Now, one thing about high blood sugar or diabetes is that there's abundance of glucose in the blood, but your cells are not picking up this glucose to metabolize it for you to get energy. So one of the most common symptoms or signs of high blood sugar or diabetes is that you always feel tired and exhausted. The next thing is some common infections or illness like malaria, typhoid. Some viral infections can even present you feeling always tired and exhausted. This is because these microorganisms tend to feed on your energy stores, and once they feed on your energy stores, you always feel tired and exhausted. The next thing is poor diet. It might be that you are not feeding well. There are some people that they usually skip their diet. So once you skip diet, because your body needs food, here is the case, you are not eating well, and that can also always make you feel tired and exhausted. The next thing is lack of exercise. You see, when you exercise, it makes you active. But if you're one kind of person that you are always idle, you don't usually exercise, that always make you, feel weak and exhausted. So you need to also continue to do exercise a bit so that you'll be active always. It will help a lot. One thing you need to have it in mind that when you start experiencing this tiredness, weakness, and exhaustion, it's very important you go to meet your doctor so that you will find out the possible cause of why you are experiencing that, and it will be managed accordingly. If you find this video helpful, feel free, subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people. If you are new to this channel, my name is Emmanuel, a licensed physician assistant by profession.